What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Real, back with another video. Today, I'm gonna give you all the graphic design secrets of how you can get more clients. Stay tuned and check it out. Number one, showcase your work. If you design logos, emphasize on logo design on your website or wherever you're publishing your portfolio. Not only should you showcase the design of the logo, showcase the process that you go through. Show them, show them how you start from beginning to end, from the sketch process to the idea, to the research, to the motivation, to things that inspire you that you're looking at. Like for me, I go on Dribble, I go on Behance, I Google, I look at designers that inspire me, and I look at their work. I get inspired by what they do, the process that they created, along the way, things that help them inspire, the books that they read, the other portfolios that they may have looked at. So secondhand inspiration is always great for that. So, showcase your process from beginning to end. And also, guys, put mock-ups on your website. Put mock-ups in like a t-shirt mock-up, a hoodie mock-up, a building display, displaying the logo, displaying it on apparel, displaying on anything. That way you can help the client get a visual, like a hoodie or a t-shirt or anything, a t-shirt tag. It helps your clients see the visual that you speak of. Like as artists, we can visualize anything. We can see it in our minds, but our clients usually can't. That's our specialty. So show it to them, bring it to life for them. It'll help them understand the process and help them understand what you're looking for and how you can help them. Secret number two, create your own website. Obviously, this is not a secret, but create a website as clean and crisp as you can and make it on brand for your brand. Walk yourself through how you would brand another client's company. So don't just rely on Dribble, Behance, Pinterest, Instagram, social media, anything like that to get you clients, because these days, these companies change so fast. 1 minute they're up, the next minute they're down, the next minute a trend has started. Like TikTok is in right now, and it's working for some people. But when you have your own brand, you have your own established brand, your own established website, you're good to go. Like I look at companies like Lincoln Design Co. I don't see them on TikTok. I don't see them doing anything like that, and they still put out top-notch work. Not because they have to go out and pander themselves to their audience or anything like that. It's because their work stands for itself. It stamps itself. So make sure you stamp your own work and stamp your own website, stamp your own brand. Bring people to your website. Learn how to create traffic and flow it and have it flow to your website. And also on your own website, you can sell your own products, your own apparel, your ebooks, anything. You can make side money. You can make money while you're sleeping. Digital products, like a wallpaper, iPhone wallpaper, Android wallpaper, anything like that. Someone will pay $3 to $5 for an iPhone wallpaper if it's dope. So guys, be creative and put your work out there on your own site and then send traffic to it. It's not easy, but it's simple. Secret number three, understanding your worth. Charge the prices that you want to charge. You know what I mean? Guys, focus on raising your value, and that comes from having a solid website, having a solid branding. So when you're approached by clients, you say, okay, this is the budget I can fit your project in, and this is how much I charge for this, whether it be a logo, website, whatever, branding, complete branding, social media design, whatever it is. Guys, raise your value. Understand your worth as a creative. Get paid what you feel you deserve. Wherever you're at in your journey is wherever you're at, and you can continue to grow. You continue to evolve it. So believe in that part of it. Believe in growing as a creative, and growing as a business owner, and growing as a freelancer or whatever you're doing. You have a special talent that it's rare in this world, and it's even more special that you're going out there and you're chasing it. You're going out there and you're putting yourself in the marketplace as another creative, because there's a lot of graphic designers, artists, and other people that just are happy with being what they're doing, like sticking to a 9 to 5 or sticking to something else, which is nothing wrong with that. But you're going out there as a freelancer. You're going out there as someone who's trying to grow themselves and expand themselves. You're a rare breed, so embrace that part of it. You deserve all of the praise that you want to give yourself, so go get the praise. You deserve it. Secret number 4, post on Behance, post on Dribble, post on Pinterest, post on social media. I know someone in the comments might say, hey, you just said don't rely on them, and I said that. But what I'm also saying is it's okay to use them as buffers. It's okay to use them as secondary platforms to post your work on. Your main thing should be building up your own website and building up your own following, your own brand, and your own traffic to your own site. But these also help you. These also put you in front of different eyes that may not have seen your work from your site or seen you on somewhere else, or even start a YouTube channel and put your work up here. I'm trying it, you know what I mean? So yeah, guys, it's nothing wrong with using those sites. The only problem it comes in is when you're relying on them to get your clients. You're relying on someone else to do the work for you, whether it be Upwork, whether it be freelancer.net, I think is what it's called, or .com, whatever it is. When you're relying on them to get you your clientele, because they can always change, they can always mess up the platform, they can always hurt you. But if you got your own platform, you'll be straight. Focus on building a community, whether it be on your social media, whether it be on any of those other sites. Focus on that. So if you only have 30 followers, take the only out of that. You have 30 engaged followers. Imagine putting 30 people in a room and then handing them 3 business cards apiece, and then they go out and pass to other people. That's 90 different people that can have their eyes on your site. So guys, embrace your follower count. Don't look at these people with 15,000 followers, 20,000 followers. Believe me, some of that is spam. A lot of that is spam, fake followers. I told you the story last week about the guy with the bot followers. It's a real thing, I promise you. So focus on building your community up. Focus on engaging with the community and providing them with content and providing them with value, because they appreciate you and they'll speak highly about you. They'll tell people about your brand, and then there's your referral system. And create a referral program. I did it, where when someone brings you a client and they spend a certain amount of money, you kick back $50, $25, or $50 to the referral, the guy that referred them, or the lady that referred them. That's really great. That's really great to keep people engaged with the brand, keep people making some side money with you, helping you grow. Secret number 4, focus on being a specialist. Focus on being known as a specialist to your community, to your family, your friends, and anyone that knows about your brand. So if you're a logo guy, be the logo guy. If you're a flyer guy or lady or whatever, be the flyer person. Be the flyer specialist. So when someone sees a nice flyer design and they see a nice banner design, they see anything like that, let them focus primarily on you. Let them know that this is what I do, this is what I specialize in. Don't be the person that does digital marketing, that does graphic design, that does everything under the sun. It does not work. I have tried it. Okay, I did it. And you know what? I never got any work until I finally just focused in on branding. You know what I mean? And when I made the shift from digital marketing to just purely branding and put all the energy into showing my clients the step-by-step process of how I build brands and how I help them, how we can collaborate on building their brand and how we can grow it, that's when I started to, my business started to grow and started to evolve, because I focused purely on what I love to do and how I can help people. People see that and they can feel how genuine you are and how engaged you are and how excited you are to start their project with them. People will love that. So focus on that, guys. Focus on just being a specialist in your field and how you can help people, because that way the money always comes back. Don't focus on the money. Focus on how you can help people. Focus on value. And by focusing on being a specialist, that's how you gain more referrals, guys. When someone tells someone about you, it makes it easier for you to trust, because they know you specialize in this thing that they need. They don't want someone that's an umbrella that does everything, a little good at everything or okay at everything. They want someone great at that one thing or that 2 things. They just want you to focus on that. But that's all I got for you today, guys. I hope these tips help you out. This is genuinely what I use to get more clients, to grow my brand, and to evolve a VSVO. So if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, share it with a family or friend. Also, I do referrals. Check it out on my website, www.avsvo.design. There's a link that says referral program. You can check it out, how you can grow with my brand and how much we pay you for bringing me clients. All right? So y'all be cool. Have a great day. Have a great week. Have a great month. Be cool. Peace.